Viewers, everyone need hand sanitizer these days and it is not available in the market. And if somewhere it is available, it is very expensive. Like 100 milliliter bottle cost from 10 to 12 pounds. I'm going to tell you how you can make hand sanitizer at home. It is very easy to make at home and it's very cheap. Cost only few pences. How you can make your own hand sanitizer at home. Dr. Risai Desai, Chief Medical Officer of Osmosis and former Epidemic Intelligence Service Officer in the Division of Viral Diseases at the CDC, says this hand sanitizer recipe will kill 99.9% of germs after 60 seconds. Safety before you start making hand sanitizer. Make the hand sanitizer in a clean space. Wash your hands thoroughly before making the hand sanitizer. To mix, use a clean spoon and pot. Wash these items thoroughly before using them. Make sure the alcohol used for the hand sanitizer is not diluted. Do not touch the mixture with your hands until it's ready for use. Making your own hand sanitizer is very easy and only requires 3 ingredients. Number 1, isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. Number 2, aloe vera gel. Number 3, essential oil such as tea tree oil or lavender oil, or you can use lemon juice instead. The key to making an effective germ busting hand sanitizer is to stick to a 2:1 proportions of alcohol to aloe vera. What you need to make hand sanitizer is 3 cup of isopropyl or rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of aloe vera gel to help keep your hands smooth and to counteract the harshness of alcohol, 10 drops of essential oil such as lavender oil or any fragrance, or you can use lemon juice instead. Pour all ingredients into a bowl, ideally a glass measuring container. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well blended to turn the sanitizer into gel. Pour the ingredients into an empty bottle for easy use and label it hand sanitizer. For large batches of hand sanitizer, the World Health Organization (WHO) trusted source has a formula for hand sanitizer that uses isopropyl alcohol or ethanol, hydrogen peroxide, glycerol, sterile distilled or boiled cold water. How to use hand sanitizer? Two things to be aware of when using hand sanitizer is that you need to rub into your skin until your hands are dry. And if your hands are greasy or dirty, you should wash them first with soap and water. With that in mind, here are some tips for using hand sanitizer effectively. Spray or apply the sanitizer to palm of one hand. Thoroughly rub your hands together. Make sure you cover the entire surface of your hands and all your fingers. Continue rubbing for 30 to 60 seconds or until your hands are dry. It can take at least 60 seconds and sometimes longer. For hand sanitizer to kill most germs, viewers, I request you for more informative videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.